Well, I got this letter. Dear Captain Matt, your snag-free fishing rig was so good on the Titanic, I would now like to troll the Andrea Doria, but I have no downrigger on my small boat. Sincerely, Captain McGillicuddy, with enclosures, accommodations, etc., etc. Well, Captain, what you need is a poor man's downrigger.
What kind of wacky rig is that? Well, this is a poor man's downrigger. You can troll from any small rig, boat or big boat. It doesn't matter what kind of boat, anywhere in the world, any kind of species. You can use a big lure on the bottom, a small lure on the bottom, and troll at a known depth. Now I'm gonna cast out there to that buoy, and I picked a very small lure. This is a 1/8 ounce rattle trap. I've got bobber tie here set at 8 feet. Here we go. Now, I haven't done this in a while. Bang, it's on station. See that little jump of the bobber? Now you can also with this jig it at a known depth. "90 feet, 45 feet, 20 feet usually what I'm doing here. This is what I want you to see. I'm going to reel it back in. And even with that little light rattle trap staying down at the bottom, I'm going to pick it up, and you see it didn't tangle. Let's cast it out again. A little better that time. Let's bring it back. Now, if you're using a big lure, anyone can set these up with a big lure. It's going to troll right, but it's hard to do it with a little lure. And here's why. You see where the bobber tie is? It's come up about 8 inches. So when you're out in your boat with a light lure and you speed up, see that? Now with the heavy lure, you get over 1/8 of an ounce. That isn't a problem. And I did that so that you would see. In fact, with a big one of these big huge lures like we used to troll at 90 feet. Alright, this is what I'm talking about, like this. A 3 ounce jig is what we used to use. Now, if you're using something that weight, you need to go, I used to use a bigger bobber, one size up. I don't have one, but you can see they come in different sizes. Just one size up from that handles it perfectly, because when you're down at 90 feet, not only do you have your lure down here, but you're going to have line stretch going back from the boat like that, which will overcome these smaller 4-inch floats. So you need the big size, and it works just great for trolling at extreme depth. Now, once you get a big lure on the bottom here, you no longer need this contraption. You don't need the sinker slider. You don't need the sinker. You don't need that. You're just going to go straight through, right straight to your big lure. So it's a clean setup doing that. If you're after huge fish, it's very, very clean. Okay, I'm going to throw this out one more time, see if I can catch one around that buoy. I'm going to jig it a couple of times. And once you bring it up, you hold it and then let it back down. Something bumped it. That wasn't me. All right. Hold it. Drop it. Bring it up, hold it. Drop it. Yeah, I'm not going to get one live for you, but summertime it's tough. A lot of them got a lockjaw. Now when we're trolling, that's about the speed, number one again, on the trolling motor. And if you're out in Tampa Bay, you're going to be doing 3 miles an hour or better with those big lures. See, it doesn't tangle, even with all that. Excellent rig. You've got a downrigger right on your little boat out of your tackle box, and you just got to use your noodle a little bit to rig it. Good luck with your fishing.